everyone. Is your hotspot not working on Android? Let's fix it quickly. Step 1. Turn hotspot off, then on again. Step 2. Restart your phone. This fixes most connection issues. Step 3. Check mobile data is on and working. Step 4. Go to settings, Wi-Fi internet, hotspot, and change the hotspot name or password. Step 5. Turn airplane mode on, then off. And that's it. Your hotspot should be working now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick fixes.